Today we are looking at a machine that has quickly become one of the most talked about laser cutters in the creative world, the xTool P255W CO₂ laser cutter. If you've ever wanted to make high-end wooden crafts, highly detailed acrylic signs, curved surface engravings, jewelry pieces, leather projects, or even fully customized metal decor, this is the kind of machine that takes you from beginner ideas to truly professional-grade results. And the interesting part is that the P2 doesn't feel like a complicated industrial device. It feels like a smart home machine that just happens to be extremely powerful. The first thing you notice is the 55W CO₂ laser engine. That level of power instantly changes what materials you can work with. Cutting thick wood becomes faster, acrylic slicing becomes cleaner, curves are handled more smoothly, and even large creative projects don't slow the machine down. If you've used a small diode laser before, you will immediately feel the difference. There's no struggling, no multiple passes unless you want extra precision, and no waiting around forever for the job to finish. This laser is built to perform. But power is only half the experience. The xTool P2 brings something that creators genuinely love: dual smart 16-megapixel cameras. These are not just simple preview cameras. They give you a top-down view of your entire workspace with extremely sharp accuracy. You can place your artwork exactly where you want it on the material, drag and drop your design visually, and the machine automatically aligns everything. If you've ever wasted material because something was shifted even a few millimeters, you immediately understand how big this improvement is. Then, we have one of the features that makes many people choose this machine over anything else: the curved surface engraving. Instead of being limited to flat pieces, the xTool P2 can map the height differences of curved or irregular shapes. It automatically adjusts focus across the entire surface, so you can engrave helmets, stones, mugs, and sculpted wooden pieces without losing detail or burning edges. This single feature opens up a complete new category of crafts that smaller lasers simply can't handle accurately. Another area where the P2 stands out is the workspace size. You get a large, generous area that supports bigger projects, batch production, and multi-material layouts. Whether you're preparing dozens of keychains for an event, designing a set of signs for a small business, or creating complex layered art pieces, the P2 gives you space to breathe. And when you combine this wide workspace with the high cutting power, you can finish big projects much faster than you expect. In real-world use, the engravings come out extremely clean. The lines are sharp, the edges smooth, and the text stays readable even at tiny sizes. Acrylic cuts feel almost polished. Leather engravings show deep, textured patterns. Wood engravings feel rich and detailed. And because this is a CO₂ laser, you can also work with materials that diode lasers struggle with, especially clear acrylic, thick wood, and various coated metals. The smart automation continues with the way the machine senses materials. It can measure thickness, detect shapes, and autofocus without forcing you to manually correct anything. This makes the workflow simple for beginners and fast for professionals. Just place the material, close the lid, and the system calculates what it needs to do. Safety is another major part of the design. The entire unit is enclosed, the lid locks during operation, and sensors monitor the cutting process. This is extremely important if you work from home, a small studio, or a shared environment. You get industrial-level performance without industrial-level risks. The machine is built to keep things controlled, stable, and predictable. If you're thinking about running a small business, personalizing products, or offering engraving services, the xTool P2 gives you everything you need in one package. You can do high-volume tasks, batch engravings, custom orders, unique one-of-one pieces, and even experimental designs. The reliability is there, the accuracy is there, and the speed is absolutely there. The overall experience feels like a blend of smart automation, raw CO₂ laser power, and creator-focused design. Whether you want to customize tumblers, create layered art, design jewelry, cut acrylic signage, make wooden decor, or even engrave curved objects that would normally feel impossible, the P2 handles it with confidence. It's one of those machines that not only expands what you can make, but also expands how fast and how easily you can make it. If you've been wanting a machine that takes your creativity to a professional level, the xTool P2 is one of the strongest options available. Check the links below to explore more details and see what accessories might fit your workflow. This is a tool that transforms ideas into real, sellable, display-ready products, and if you're looking for a serious upgrade, this might be exactly what you need.